Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was made to be part of an engraving on a ring, so it's long and skinny and intended to be flipped and mirrored. So this design flipped and mirrored with another version. So if we take this, duplicate that, flip and mirror, and like that. This is how it looks all together, and then the main design will go in the middle there. So that is how this design functions as far as what it's made for. And let's go ahead and read it and see how it says what it says. So these are the words path, passion, and purpose. We'll notice a P is the first letter of every word, but every word still looks very different. That's because we can make the same letter look a bunch of different ways. A P is made by combining a completed circle, so a full circle, like this one in this row, with two lines. And those lines are where lots of fun can happen, because lines can go any direction, swirl, curve, do a bunch of stuff, connect inwards, outwards, anything you want. So if we start here at this little start here marker, and go to our first letter, it's a completed circle with two lines. That would be the P. Then the A is a little guy, vowels are small circles, and an A is outside of the word circle. So like this T1 here. And then we have a TH, which is a completed circle on the line of the word circle. So this is path, and then our next word starts again with a P, two lines on that P, an A outside the word circle again, and this S has 1, 2, 3 lines on it. This S has 1, 2, 3 lines. The I has a line going inwards. The O is hanging out inside the word circle, and then an N has 1 line on it. And then, purpose, again, starts with a P. And this is kind of a tricky P because it looks like there's just 1 line in here, but lines count where they end on a letter stem. And this line ends here, and it ends there. So that counts twice. So this is, again, a P with 2 lines. So P, U, line going outwards, R has 3 dots, P has 2 lines, O, and then an S with 3 lines, and an E. So there we have path, passion, and purpose. So yeah, that's that design. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.